Time is a constant presence in our lives. It is an ever-ticking clock that never stops, a relentless force that governs our every moment. From the moment we wake up to the time we fall asleep, time is our silent companion, guiding us through the rhythm of our daily routines. We are constantly aware of its passage, whether we are glancing at our wristwatches, flipping through calendar pages, or checking the time on our phones. We experience time as a linear progression, a continuous flow that moves from one moment to the next. It is a steady march from the past, through the present, into the future. This journey is marked by memories, experiences, and expectations. Our perception of time is subjective, and it varies greatly depending on our emotional state and activities. A minute can feel like an hour during moments of anxiety, stress, or anticipation, while hours can melt away when we are engrossed in an enjoyable activity, such as spending time with friends, playing, or attending a concert. This subjective experience of time hints at a deeper truth. Our perception of time is not necessarily an accurate reflection of its true nature. Philosophers and scientists have long pondered the mysteries of time. Furthermore, our perception of time is influenced by our motion. When we move quickly, time seems to pass differently. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time slows down for objects in motion relative to a stationary observer. This means that astronauts traveling at high speeds experience time more slowly than those on Earth. This phenomenon, known as time dilation, has been experimentally verified and demonstrates that time is not absolute, but rather relative to the observer's frame of reference. It challenges our everyday understanding of time and opens up fascinating possibilities for the future. Einstein's theory of relativity revolutionized our understanding of time by merging it with space into a unified concept, space-time. Imagine a fabric, warped and stretched by the presence of massive objects. This is a simplified way to visualize space-time. In this framework, time is not a separate entity, but an integral part of the fabric of the universe. Just as the three dimensions of space, length, width, and height, are interconnected, so too is time woven into this cosmic tapestry. Section 4. Quantum Physics. Blurring the lines of time. Quantum physics, the study of the very small, further complicates our understanding of time. At the quantum level, particles do not follow the same rules as macroscopic objects. They exist in a state of superposition, meaning they can be in multiple states at once until observed. This has profound implications for our understanding of time. If particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, does that mean the past, present, and future also coexist? Some physicists believe so, suggesting that our linear perception of time may be an illusion. Section 5. Time, an emergent phenomenon. If time is not a fundamental property of the universe, then where does it come from? This question has puzzled scientists and philosophers for centuries. Some physicists, like myself, propose that time is an emergent phenomenon. This means that time might not be a basic building block of the universe, but rather a result of more fundamental processes. Just as temperature arises from the collective motion of molecules, time may emerge from a deeper, more fundamental level of reality. Imagine how the concept of temperature doesn't exist in a single molecule, but emerges from the interaction of many. This underlying reality may be a realm where time, as we understand it, does not exist. In this realm, the laws of physics might operate without the need for time. It is a concept that challenges our intuitions and stretches the limits of our imagination. We are used to thinking of time as a constant, ever-flowing river, but what if it's more like a mirage? Yet, it is a possibility that is being seriously considered by some of the brightest minds in physics. These scientists are exploring theories and conducting experiments to uncover the true nature of time. The true nature of time remains a mystery, but one that we are slowly unraveling, thread by thread. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding this profound aspect of our universe.